Starting off, I already have my eyelid prime using my NYX eyeshadow base. And also, I set it with the Cover Fix Translucent Light Powder. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And the first shade that we're going to apply is this shade right here. Alright, I'm just going to use a blending brush. And I'm just going to go in and use this as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, using my Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to put that in my crease, and I'm starting off light, and I'm going to build up this shade as I go. And make sure you're doing it in windshield wiper motion. I'm going to blend out that shade. Once you have that first shade blended in, you want to apply the NYX eyeshadow base, and you want to cut your eyelid and make sure you do it high enough that when you open your lid you can actually see it. Blend this out, and then I'm going to set it with my powder. Using that same Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to apply this burgundy shade again on the ends of my cut crease.